Lesson 4. Prompting like a pro. Summarize this. Get you a mediocre summary. Most disappointing AI outputs traces back to a lazy prompt, not a weak model. Fix the prompt, fix the output, almost every time. 4 things, every time. Role, who should Claude be? You're a senior analyst with 20 years in logistics. Context, what does it need to know? Paste the actual email thread, not a summary of it. Task, exactly what to produce. Format, bullets, table, email, 3 paragraphs. Skip one of these and you get generic output. Bad, write an email about the meeting. Good, write a 150-word follow-up email to a CFO, summarizing our strategy call, confirming 3 action items, proposing a 2-week check-in. Same task, completely different result. Try both right now and compare. Your first output is raw material. Make it shorter, too formal, loosen it up. Add 2 questions the bot might ask. Your third version is always better than your first. Most people quit after 1 prompt and blame the 2. When a task is complex, try before you answer. Ask me any clarifying questions you need. Claude will often surface the exact context gap you didn't think to fill in. This alone upgrades your output quality significantly. Claude will confidently answer even when it's missing key context. It won't always know to ask. If you don't give it the details, it fills gaps with plausible sounding guesses. That's on you to catch, not the model to confess. You are always the final editor. Claude produces the draft. Your judgment makes it yours and makes it safe to send. Write 1 RCTF prompt for a real task today. Run it, then iterate it twice before you're done. Role, context, task, format, turns vague requests into usable output. Iterate instead of restarting, and you're always the editor. Claude drafts, you decide.